Hello, this is James again from Denmark. Today we are going to deliver a 3D laser cutting machine robot to a customer in Europe. So one you can see, so there is a beam and frame, and the robot is just installed on a base. So this robot is hung above, and it can do 3D dimensional cutting and welding. And you can take a close look. This robot is Fanuc. Robot is M20IA. And now this is using a welding head, and this is the CCD. So when it's working, it will showing the welding seam, and this is the wire feeder. And now our engineer is just doing the preparation, and we'll just show you its work. And this welding head can be uninstalled and replaced with a cutting head. So this robot can do both cutting and welding. So after that, our engineer will show you this working. So this one is a welding head test. As you can see, the head is just turning around, so it can do some welding like circles. As you can see, the head is turning around. And here is an example for welding. So you can see the welding seam is very smooth and clean. And you can see the welding effect. So this is the cutting head. So this is the controller of the robot. This is controller of robot. And here are just the cutting samples, and you can see it's from the car parts. So you can see the hole. So this is the curve cutting, and we can do some sample and sample cutting. As you can see, this is the sample parts for the cutting, the curve, and also the under drills and the pipes. And also you can see these cutting parts, so they're just cutting by the robots. So you can see. And also the curves on the pipe. And this one is for the cutting test. After cutting, you can see we measure the accuracy of the cutting holes. And this is a laser sample testing to cut some curves on the plate. So if you are interested, please just contact us and you can send your sample to us, and we can do some sample testing for you. Our customer, they just like it very much, and our customer, they just came to learn and practice how to use the robot and how to use the control panel and they are satisfied with the machine. So if you are interested, please contact us.